birthday, Simon. Napakabilis ng panahon. Ikaw ay isang binata na. At masaya ako sa mga narating mo sa iyong buhay at mararating mo pa. God bless and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Simon!
Hello, Simon! Happy birthday to you and God bless you more. Happy birthday, Simon! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Simon!
Happy birthday, Simon!
Happy birthday, Simon!
Happy birthday, Simon! Happy birthday!
Hi Simon, happy birthday. Ang lamig dito.
Hey Simon, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Please enjoy your day and always be happy, always be positive, always have positive thoughts, and don't be sad. And when you're sad, always cheer up and always pray to God and have faith to God. And that's it. Enjoy your day and
Happy birthday, Simon. Hope your birthday is as special as you are. May all of your dreams come true. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Simon. Keep up with your accolades and continue serving the Lord. Salamat din, pre, sa pagiging kaibigan ko. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Simon! Happy birthday, Simon!
happy birthday, Simon!
Happy birthday, Simon. Pengi ako handa.
Happy birthday, Simon. Wish ko sa'yo sana maging successful ka sa buhay mo. And ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Simon. More birthdays to come. Mag-aaral kang mabuti. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Makinig ka lagi sa magulang mo. And lang, stay healthy. God bless you. Love you.
Happy birthday Simon. Miss ka na namin. And ito, buhay pa rin yung sinigang. Sheesh!
Happy birthday, Simon. More birthdays to come.
14th birthday, Simon. I wish you all the best and may your wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Kuya Simon!
Happy birthday, Simon! Boy, I wish you the best of everything. Lagi mong galingan sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. I love you, my friend. Peace!
Happy birthday, J-Riz!
Happy birthday, Kuya Simon! God bless! Happy birthday, Kuya Simon! God bless you!
Simon, happy birthday. Sobrang nakaka-proud kang bata. Alam ko, ganun din si mami at daddy mo. And lahat ng tao sa paligid mo. Sobrang blessed namin to have you, Simon. I love you, Simon. Happy birthday.